What was your reaction to finding out you were selected as a California Department of Education Employee of the Year?
Well, it just so happened when I received the news, I was heading back to campus at about 5:30 in the evening after an already long and tiring day. And it was like a double shot of energy drink. I was so grateful and so elated, followed immediately with a wonderful sense of humility to be chosen over so many qualified people. And if I could bottle that feeling and sell it, I'd be a millionaire. I can't think of anything better than getting honored for doing what you love doing. Except maybe to get honored for doing what you love doing in such an unprecedented time in our history when so many people rose to the occasion. So I'm just grateful, beyond grateful.
What are you most proud of in your career?
Oh, that's easy. Getting kids to love reading and giving them a reason to enjoy coming to school.
That's pretty good, right?
Yeah, my entire program is to that end.
What would you like to say to those that nominated you?
Thank you does not capture the gratitude in my heart for being nominated, but you're only as good as the people around you, and I could not have done it without them. So really this is as much for my Alvord family as it is for me. We're the backbone of the school system. The teachers are fantastic, but it takes a lot more than that to run a school and have it run well. And the classified people at my school, they go above and beyond, every single one of them. We love our kids, we love our students. It matters. What you do matters. Do it well, do it with love in your heart, do it for our kids.